This is day 2. I'm exhausted. I did a lot yesterday only because I have to catch the bus everywhere. I'm not driving right now. I feel like quitting already, and I haven't even started. But I got what I needed. Here's my Nicoderm CQ. I got 2 boxes of that, which will last me 4 weeks for the month. And I got my weight loss supplements, Super HD. It wasn't too expensive. It was about $34. The Nicoderm CQ was $80. I'm going to make myself some oatmeal for breakfast. And I'm going to take my shower and put on my patch. I already took my Super HD. And then I'm going to go to the gym. And after I work out, I'm going to come back with you and talk with you about what I did and my experience. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.